Hello and welcome to part 3 of this series about my audio tech demo game. Okay, so let's take a quick look how the pickups are done. It's very simple. It's play event on object destroy, and then you have a script on the pickups that essentially when the player walks through the pickup, it's gonna destroy the game object. And then with the spooky cabinet, it's gonna play a sound when the player gets close enough. So we have a box glider as a trigger once again, just so we can determine how close that the player has to be to the cabin. And then you just play the one-shot sound. But also I wanted to show something from FMOD. Here we have multiple layers, and all of the layers also have their own variations inside of them. So that's gonna make it sound different every time. But then I've also modulated the chance to play. So sometimes certain layers are not gonna play at all. And now it's time for shameless self-promotion. The radio is actually playing the whole album from my band Solkverk. I'm the vocalist, and thankfully it's on Spotify as well, so go check it out if you like that kind of stuff. Moving on, in this room we had the pipe ambience, the water going inside the pipes, and it's there basically to help with the 2D ambience that we have in the tunnels, like the basic room tone. And what I've done here is just have 3 empty game objects along the whole length of the pipe. This way they're all playing the same sound, but since there's 3 and there's like these crossover sections, since the radius is kind of small, you kind of feel like that the water is moving actually in the pipe, and it's not just like a static noise. So in FMOD we have 3 layers. So at the bottom, I wanted to have like a really steady, static, water flowing sound. And then on top of that, I wanted to have the noise of the pipes. So that means some kind of metal squeaking, some kind of like rusty, ominous sound. And then also this a bit more elaborate water rushing sound. And to avoid phasing problems, everything has its time randomized, so every time it plays from a different part of the sound. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya next part. Bye.